What's up, everybody? This is Greed for Money or Leo, and ito na ang third video na pinapakaabangan mo, which is the Greed for Money Insider Tips Part 3, the plan. All right. Now, each time na merong nagtatanong sa akin or nag-i-invite ng any network marketing opportunity, ito lang lagi ang tanong ko sa kanila. Meron ako isang challenge question. Ang tanong ko lagi is, what's your plan? Alright. Usually, ang naririnig ko lang sa mga nag-i-invite is, let's just work it for, 2 years and then kikita na tayo, like 2 years. At tanong ko how? Basta, recruit lang ng recruit. I mean, hindi talaga nag-focus sa business, but it's all about recruiting, right? So basically, hindi nabibenta talaga yung business. Okay? And then sinasabi ng iba na mag-invite lang daw ng 2 tao, dalhin sa BOM or Business Opportunity Meeting, and then sila na daw bahala mag-explain. Well, that might gonna work, but not always, especially with me. Alright? Or also, you just have to think positive and magiging successful ka rin. Well, definitely, I'm so inspired ever since, and I'm always positive. But thinking positive alone is not really gonna make you successful. You also have to use your brain for that. Gamitin mo yung bagay na sa gitna ng tenga mo to make it work. Alright? Well, I have a plan for you for that. Alright? And third thing is pass the burden. Right? Pass the burden, parang papasa ka ng sumpa sa isang tao. I think that's not really, that's really unlikely, right? Kasi dapat ang tao is interested sa business, which is very good naman yung business natin sa V-Mobile, very demanding naman, or yung demand ng tao is mataas about the product. So you don't have to pass the burden for that. All right. Now, here's my plan. What if we're gonna do it my way? All right. I'm the one who's going to do the marketing for you. So basically, I'm well known online that, I do the marketing, right? Kasi mag-work lang ng MLM or marketing or MLM or multi-level marketing opportunity if you're going to do the marketing, right? That's very important. And then I'm gonna show you something about referral layering done. Alright? And also, ginagawa ng ibang guru is bibigyan ka daw nila ng isang referral. Sige, bigyan ka ng isang referral and then ikaw na bahala sa isa. Right? What if hindi naman marketer yung tao? What if masyado siyang busy, hindi niya magawa yung mga ganang bagay? So basically, hindi mag-work sa kanya yung networking ng business, right? Kasi kailangan you have to earn in this business, both sa business, sa network marketing, and also sa override commission to make this thing work, right? So kung bibigyan ka lang ng referral mo ng isang referral, then hindi mo makabigyan ng sarili mo ng isang referral, then it's not gonna work. So we call that not working, hindi networking. Pakita ko lang sa inyo sinasabi ko. Ito ang tinatawag na genealogy. Alright? Ko-cover ko lang ibang info dito for the privacy na may-ari ng video. Alright, so here. As you may notice, si MLMer, si networker, naka-recruit ng isa, naka-invite ng isa dito. Number 2, number 3. Okay? Then number 4. Instead na bigyan niya to ng referral si number 5, ginawa niya, binigay niya sa number 8. So nilampasan niya. Right? And then again, I'm not really sure kung itong 16 and 17 is galing dito or baka kumuha lang ng 3 accounts to. Pero, alam mo yun, may nilampasan na siya agad dito si number 5. Right? So, ibig sabihin si number 2 na nandito sa ibabaw ni number 5 is hindi makakacycle as long as walang referral na papasok dito. Right? So, that's how networking works. Right? What if we're gonna do it this way? We're gonna do it as I actually called it as referral layering. All right. Pakita ko lang sa yung genealogy ko. So this is my genealogy, and as you may notice here on my genealogy, wala siyang bungi. Right? So yung number 5 ko, nilagyan ko na kagad ang referral, and then I'm on the process of working this layer. Itong layer na to, isang diretsong linya na to, is lalagyan ko ng mga referral. Why? Kasi pag nilagyan ko ng referral lahat tong layer na to, is matutuwa tong nasa ibabaw, right? Kakaroon sila ng referral, they're gonna make money, they're gonna earn. Because that is how networking works, right? So my deal here is, I'm gonna put the referrals here, dito sa layer na to, alright, wala tayong lalampasan. So itong mga may inspired na to, magre-refer sila at doon gagana ang word of mouth advertising, right? Kasi meron silang team na tumutulong sa kanilang magkaroon ng referral. What about that, right? And also, one more thing, there's going to be an online lead generating device. I know the importance of advertising, so I'm gonna do some investing for that, about advertising para mag-work para sa team, not just for me, but for the entire team. Alright? So in that way, mapupunan ng referral tong mga taong to. Right? And we're gonna do this thing for long term. Okay? And also, one more thing here is, I am not the only one who's gonna do this. Kasi kasama natin sa team si Pinoy Deal. Alright? That's my mentor. Si Pinoy Deal is nagma-market online for almost more than 4 years now, and ako 2 years now nagma-market. And we have this very good credibility when it comes to marketing online. All right, so we don't want to mess this thing up. All right, we're going to work for this for long term, and definitely we're going to make this plan work. All right, so kung ikaw yung klase ng tao na mabilis ka makapag-decide and you want to secure your position to be on part of our team, or isa ka ring willing mag-work itong planong to for long term, hindi something na get rich quick, and you would like to get a real business that is going to work for you for long term, then I want you to be on my team. All right, I want you here. Let's make this thing work for long term, and then we're gonna see each other on the top. Lahat tayo. All right. My goal is to make this team as the leading team sa V-Mobile industry. All right, and I believe in that, and I hope that you also believe in that. So, ang ganda ng mindsetting mo, I want you to contact me on my Sulit webpage by going to greedformoney.sulit.com.ph or go to pinoydeal.sulit.com.ph. Pwede ka rin mag-send ng message sa kanya or sa akin, either way. You can also call me on my cell phone if you want to. You can text me. And if you want to secure your position now, gusto mo na makasecure ng position para malagay ka na kagad sa genealogy natin dito, 13, 14, 15, and the rest dito. Andyan yung account ko sa ilalim. Alright? You can send money there to get your position. I'm gonna send to you the kit, and also meron lang tayong charge sa my shipping fee for that. Okay? Kasi ipapadala ko sa'yo manually, and then either LBC ko siya padala or whatever it is. All right, I'm gonna find a way for you to get your kit. All right, and if you have more questions for that, merong form sa ilalim. You can ask any question if you want to. I'm gonna respond to you as soon as possible. So I'm looking forward to work with you here with this V-Mobile family, Team Greed for Money and Pinoy Deal. And again, I appreciate that you're watching my video. And you have a good night. Bye-bye now. Let's make money tonight. All right? Bye-bye now.